I ordered something, this LED light from Amazon, and I was like, you know what, let me just do a YouTube video to try it. So I'm going to show you guys my attempt of, and I guess a little tutorial of how to put them up. So I always wanted these LED lights because I always see them on TikTok. It came in this box, and I guess it changes into these colors. It came with the user instructions, whatever. It came with some instructions. It comes with a remote, all these buttons, all the colors, the jump, fade. It came with like a computer like cord. So piece 1, piece 2, third piece. Then it came with like, I guess the power connector, which is like white, and it comes with 2 things to connect to, and like a sensor connect, I guess the sensory, and of course the long strip lines. So I got 32.8 feet and they are waterproof. I spent $29.99 exact, no tax, and I did not pay for shipping. And it came in 2 days from Amazon. So I'm gonna connect it and not set myself up for failure, because if I connect this around the wall and it don't work, I'm gonna be pissed. First one. So we're gonna connect these into the white box cable. Arrow to arrow.
So I'm guessing it's 2.
Connect. We're gonna connect that.
Do not plug it into the wall until the lights are connected to the white cord.
They work. Hold up. Okay, so one side works. This side does not work. I'm guessing you just have to flip it. Now they work. So I guess I have to like get something to cover that. I'm gonna like do it around my closet. I don't know. I just have a really large room.
I had to do this to keep it up from falling, so I just duct taped it and left the center out.
I hope that you'll see it through.